Welcome to a video on learning Twine. In this video I'm going to cover style markup in the SugarCube story format. Coming over here to the first passage at the beginning, we see different style markup, that is adding symbols that mark up text to produce different stylistic options. Starting from the top here we have emphasis, strong emphasis, strike through, escaped code, highlighting, and then headings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finally 6. In all of these different examples, they're a way of adding markup, different symbols here, to produce different presentation options stylistically. However, when using them in the passage editor with SugarCube, they won't show their options. To see their options and presentation, you must play that story. So let's see that in action. Closing this passage, playing this story, we see this markup showing itself, showing its stylistic options here. Again, starting from the top and moving down, emphasis, or sometimes thought of as italics, strong emphasis, or bold, strike through, escaped code, highlighting, and then levels 1 through 6. Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, Level 4, Level 5, and Level 6. All shown through their presentation options. Closing this and coming back to the content of the passage, the beginning, we see again this markup here. SugarCube has a number of other additional markup options as well, and not just these, that can be used within a passage to mark up different text and present text in different stylistic ways. Remember, of course, that the passage editor, this current view, doesn't show us those views, and to finally see the result, we have to play the story and look at how it is presented. In all of these different options, however, this is how you can introduce style markup in SugarCube. Remembering, of course, that the documentation for SugarCube has many additional options and is best read over to see what options might be best when creating your own story using the SugarCube story format. Thanks for watching.